Hi friends, in last lecture we have seen what is set. Set is nothing but the collection of similar kind of items or say set of elements that are represented in well-known form. A set can be anything. It can be collection of birds, animals, fruits, anything. There are two kinds of set forms, or set can be expressed in two forms, namely roster form and set builder form. Let us take roster form. Roster form is also known as the tabular form. Here we take all elements which are separated with the comma and all elements are enclosed with the curly braces. Here let us take with some example. Set of vowels in English alphabets. You all know that English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. You can choose any sequence or order. It doesn't matter what sequence you take. You can choose O, U, I, E, A, I, O, U, E, A. Anything. All elements should be separated with comma and enclosed with the curly braces. This is the roster form. Let us take another examples of roster form. Set of all letters in word algebra. Algebra word has A which is repeated 2 times. So skip repetition of any letter from the word algebra. Here we skip repetition of letter A. So in a curly braces we have ALGEBRA with all elements separated with the comma. Now let us take set of natural numbers less than 10. All you know that natural numbers are those numbers which are positive integers, which does not contain 0 as well as decimal number. We want a natural number, these are less than 10. So from 1 to 9 are the natural numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these elements are separated with the comma and enclosed with the curly braces. Now let us take over set builder form. Set builder form is also known as the ruler form. It has a namely 3 parts. First part is variable. Variable can be anything, x, y, z, but it should be expressed in a lowercase letter. Followed by colon. Colon represents the word such that. Colon can be replaced with the vertical bar separator. Last statement is description property of all elements. Description property represents the common property of all elements. For example, the structure of the set builder form is as shown below. Capital A is equal to curly braces, small letter x, colon means word such that x is the variable representing common property of all set of elements. Let us take some examples of set builder form. A set of vowels in English alphabets. You know that A, E, I, O, U are set, all are vowels of English alphabets. So we have choose a letter small x to represent the vowel property of all elements of English alphabets. And capital A represents all elements along with curly braces as a whole set. And x represents individual property of all vowels. So you can all read this statement as A is equal to curly braces x colon x is a vowel in English alphabets with curly braces close. You can read this statement as curly braces stand for set of all. and colon represent such that. So you can read this as the set of all x such that x is the vowel of English alphabets. Let us take some few examples to clarify about the set builder form. Set builder form has set of all letters in word algebra. Here a letter D, small letter D, represent the property of all elements that enclose with the word algebra. So D can be any letter that represents the word from algebra here. And capital B represents the set as a whole. You can read this as set of all D such that D is the letter of word algebra. Example 3. Set of all natural numbers less than 10. So we have capital V is equal to Y. Y is any natural numbers that is within 1 to 9. So Y such that Y is any natural number and Y is less than 10. It can be also represented as V is equal to, in curly braces, Y such that Y belongs to N. The epsilon means belongs to. Capital N is the mathematical representation of natural number and Y should be less than 10. Let us take conversion of roster form to set builder form. Here in example 1 we have 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 is the, here all elements are multiples of 3. So x should be 3 times n. If I put 3 into 1, which give first element 3, 3 into 2 gives 6, 3 into 3 gives 9 and 3 into 4 gives 12. So small n is natural number. Small letter n is belongs to capital N. Capital N represents set of all natural numbers and the n should be lies within 1 to 4. So we can represent this as V is equal to x such that x is equal to 3 times n. N belongs to capital N and n lies within 1 to 4. Let us take next example. 5, 25, 125 and 525. All here elements are power of 5. So if I take any letter A that represents the common property of power of 5 of all elements that are shown in the set, A is equal to 5 raised to n and n, if I take n is equal to 1, 5 raised to 1 gives 5, 5 raised to 2 gives 25, 5 raised to 3 means 5 cube that gives 125 and 5 raised to 4 gives 525. So n should be lies within 1 to 4 and n is any natural number means n should belongs to capital N. N is belongs to set of all natural numbers. Let us take conversion of set builder form to roster form. How can you change the expression that is represented with set builder form to roster form? So we have example, capital A is equal to x colon x. X is such that 2-digit natural number and summation of its digit is 8. So you want 2-digit number and individual summation of that 2 digits should give 8. So you have 1 plus 7 gives also 8. 2 plus 6 also gives 8. 3 plus 5 is also gives 8. In this way we increment from 17 to 18. So we have in roster form, in curly braces we have 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. Now next example is capital F is set of all numbers in a word better. Here T repeats 2 times and E also repeats 2 times. While representing in roster form, we have to skip repetition of letter. So we skip 2 times T and 2 times E. We take only 1 time E and T. So in a roster form, we have in a curly braces capital B, comma E, comma T, comma R. This is the roster form. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching my video. Thanks a lot.